Sharp cliffs rise like blades etched against the deep blue sky, marked with the traces of time. The Swiss Alps. 470 miles of glaciers embrace every ravine, breathing life into the lush green meadows. Yet behind the serene beauty of this magnificent landscape lies the harsh reality of survival in every movement. With each passing second, winter draws closer. All must adapt or yield to nature's demands, whether the tiniest creatures or the most cunning predators. Every movement must be calculated, and every decision is a matter of survival. This is the journey of relentless battles and constant rebirth, where nature is not merely a backdrop, but a formidable challenger, unyielding yet awe-inspiring. Welcome to the Swiss Alps, secrets of the apex hunters. Winter blankets the Swiss Alps. The towering peaks surrounding the Matterhorn become fortresses of ice. On the steep cliffs, Alpine ibex defy gravity, climbing higher, staying out of reach of predators, and searching for the scarce patches of grass beneath the snow. Below, in the snow-covered valleys, agile chamois glide down the slopes. The deep snow slows their steps, yet they continue to seek lower grounds where food still lingers. However, their every move is being watched. In the darkness, the Eurasian lynx silently stalks. Its paws sink deep into the snow, quiet yet full of intent. Above, the broad wings of the golden eagle slice through the sky, hunting for the weak and vulnerable. Like an arrow from the heavens, the eagle dives at breathtaking speed. Winter here is unforgiving. Only the strongest can truly reign over this land. Covering more than 60% of Switzerland's 15,940 square miles. The Swiss Alps are a national symbol, where towering mountains and valleys create a breathtaking natural landscape. Glaciers, green forests, and waterfalls all contribute to a world where life thrives despite the harshness of nature. Although Switzerland only occupies 14% of the entire 74,422 square miles of the Alps, it proudly hosts 48 of the 82 peaks that exceed 13,000 feet. The remaining peaks also lie within just 12 miles of this nation's borders. A true wonder, where time seems to stand still amid the ice and rocks. The name Alps originates from the ancient Latin word albus, meaning white. A simple yet evocative name, bringing to mind the snow-capped peaks that resemble icy crowns touching the sky. The story of the Alps goes far beyond just the name. Around 65 million years ago, two massive tectonic plates, Europe and Africa, began a relentless collision. This immense force pushed the sediments of the ancient Tethys Ocean upwards, transforming them into towering mountain ranges. The Alps gradually emerged, like a masterpiece being reshaped through the ages of geological time. With an average elevation of over 6,500 feet, the Swiss Alps stretch from southwest to northeast, forming a majestic backbone of Switzerland. This is where the highest peaks reach towards the sky, with 48 out of 82 summits exceeding 13,000 feet. Dufourspitze, standing at 15,203 feet, rises like a giant, the tallest peak in this mountainous realm. The Alpine Glacier, stretching 14 miles long and covering 46 square miles, is not just a natural wonder, but also a lifeline, feeding major rivers like the Rhone and Rhine. Zermatt and Lauterbrunnen valleys have been carved deep by glaciers over millions of years. Lauterbrunnen, with its over 70 waterfalls cascading down cliffs, stands as a testament to the power of time and ice. Zermatt, lying at the foot of the Matterhorn, is where one of the world's most iconic mountains rises like a majestic pyramid. The Swiss Alps, with their awe-inspiring beauty, are one of the most biodiverse regions in Europe. They are home to tens of thousands of plant and animal species, many of which cannot be found anywhere else on Earth. For every 328 feet of elevation gained, the temperature drops by an average of 0.56 degrees Celsius, creating three distinct climate zones: the subalpine zone, alpine zone, and glacial zone. Each zone provides unique habitats, from lush pine forests to alpine meadows and the icy expanse of glaciers. Every day is a struggle for survival, as these creatures strive to endure the cold, holding on to the promise of warmer, sunnier days. Summer in the Swiss Alps is a moment when life awakens. After a long winter, the melting snow from the high peaks begins to trickle through the valleys, creating crystal-clear streams. Temperatures ranging from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit in the lower regions bring warmth and energy to the entire ecosystem. Fields of wildflowers bloom across the vast meadows, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors. The melting glaciers feed the major rivers, transforming the valleys into rich habitats for wildlife. At elevations between 6,560 and 9,840 feet, summer in the alpine zone of the Swiss Alps reveals a scene full of vitality. As temperatures rise, ranging from 37 degrees Fahrenheit to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the snow on the mountain peaks begins to melt. High above, peaks like the Matterhorn and Dufourspitze stand out with their timeless beauty, now no longer icy but reflecting the brilliant sunshine of summer. Icy waters flow rapidly, cascading into the valleys, creating majestic waterfalls. It is the call of life. The lush green meadows and flower-covered grasslands, sustained by the meltwater from glaciers like Pers and Morteratsch, paint a picturesque scene. This refreshing water source not only creates a serene beauty, but also provides abundant nourishment for the entire ecosystem. These grasslands are a vital food source for the Alpine ibex, the iconic mountain goat of the Swiss Alps, also known as the Steinbock. In summer, they move up the steep cliffs to find fresh grasses, herbs, and shrubs. Their climbing ability is remarkable, the result of millions of years of evolution. With powerful hooves and well-developed muscles, the ibex can easily grip onto surfaces just a few inches wide, reaching areas inaccessible to other animals. These nearly vertical cliffs become safe havens, protecting them from predators like the golden eagle and Eurasian lynx. This trait gives these mountain goats a significant advantage in accessing areas with fresh grass and shrubs, minimizing competition for food with other species. At the end of summer, the males often leave the herd to engage in battles for dominance. The intense head-to-head clashes of young males echo through the mountains, creating a spectacular scene. These battles are not only a way to establish their rank within the herd, but also a preparation for the upcoming breeding season. Summer in the high mountains brings a busy yet favorable time for the chamois. The alpine meadows are lush and vibrant, providing a rich source of food. Chamois make the most of this time, moving across steep rock faces to feed in areas that few other animals can reach. Their exceptional climbing skills, thanks to their strong legs and perfectly adapted hooves, allow them to grip securely on slippery rock surfaces. Chamois live in small herds, usually consisting of 15 to 30 individuals. The herd is well organized, led by strong males who guard the territory and control the areas with the most nutritious food sources. By the end of summer, competition among the males increases as they begin asserting their strength in preparation for the breeding season in autumn. Females and young often move to safer areas, away from zones where golden eagles or Eurasian lynxes might be hunting. High alertness is their survival strategy, especially when crossing open areas. A 2023 study by the University of Zurich found that chamois can reach speeds of up to 31 miles per hour on uneven terrain. This is a significant advantage, helping them easily escape from potential predators. The mountain hare, also known by many other names such as blue hare, tundra hare, alpine hare, and snow hare, symbolizes remarkable adaptation to the harsh environment of the Alpine zone in the Swiss Alps. As summer arrives, the mountain hare gradually sheds its white winter coat, replacing it with a gray-brown color. They blend into the rocky slopes and lush green meadows, almost disappearing into the wild landscape.